Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Cybersecurity. This is the third video of this series. In this video, we basically focus on integrity. Integrity is one of the core principles of CIA. It refers to assurance that the information remains accurate, consistent, and trustworthy throughout its life cycle. In a simple terms, integrity ensures that the data has not been tampered or altered in an unauthorized manner, intentionally or unintentionally. If we talk about in depth about the integrity in the context of cybersecurity, we can consider as data integrity assurance. Data integrity assurance ensures that the data remains unchanged from its original state, whether it is at rest or in transit. This is crucial for maintaining the reliability and trustworthiness of data. Data integrity measures prevent the unauthorized modifications, deletions, or addition of data, ensuring that it remains accurate and reliable. Different cryptographic techniques such as hashing and digital signatures, organization can verify that the integrity of the data and detect any unauthorized changes that has been made during the transferring of the data over the web.